So to save you some time, we'll try to make this short. How you can refund on Shopify. If you find this helpful, please subscribe and like this video. I really appreciate it. So what you're gonna have to do is just go to orders here, and then here we have order. I can click on this order here, and then here I have the option to refund. I'll click on refund, and then here, once the item is refunded, you can start the return for it. To return an item, create a return first, and then process the refund. Now I have the item here, and you can see here. But anyways, that's a bogus testing. But anyways, that's fine. And that's the one here that I want to refund, and then I'll just click on refund. Basically, that's all you need to do. You can also enter here reason for refund. Only you and other staff can see this reason. But what it means exactly to refund? Well, what it means as a Shopify, as a dropshipper, as a owning a store, an online store. So that basically means a refund will refer to returning money basically back to your customer who placed an order in your store. Thanks for watching and take care.